pretty much what we expected them to do. So we had the breakdown. We came down into the demand area down here. We were looking for the lower area of demand. The market was not that weak to get down there. So we did get the reversal out of this area of demand. We did break the upper trend line, and we've closed the market into this previous area of supply that the forced the markets down yesterday. So being deep into the supply, being into those unfilled sell orders, there's very few unfilled sell remaining in this area of the market right here. So this is not going to be difficult for this to be able to break through and extend on the upper direction here. So that's looking pretty strong, pretty good. We're going to keep having a slew of earnings releases over the next week and a half. So some big names coming out next week. Pretty much all the big tech companies are releasing next week. That's going to have a big impact. And with COVID and the shutdowns and that type of thing, my opinion is worthless to anybody, but that should really be able to push the markets north here without any sort of problems at all. So we've had a beautiful retracement here that we're looking for. Great time to be a buyer in these markets right now. When we look at the Russell, the money is flowing in huge into the small cap. So the small cap names are where you want to be playing this market, or keep it real simple. Let's go buy the Russell 2000 ETF. So there's a couple of different ways you can do that. You can trade IWM. IWM is the just straightforward ETF for the Russell 2000, or if you want to go to leverage, 3 times leverage, it moves 3 times the percentage moving per day, is TN Finelli, TNA, and that's going to move up 3 times the amount based on the current valuation. So you can see here, just huge move here. We're still in the 1 hour time frame, huge move in the Russell, right through the supply, and just steam train, powering through. So this is amazing. This is awesome. This is exactly what we wanted to see. On the NASDAQ, did exactly what we wanted to do. We were looking to get down into this lower area of demand at the bottom here. I didn't quite get all the way down to 11,495 that we're looking for, but we got right down close to it, and you can see we got that push up. So in the NASDAQ here, NASDAQ futures, we're up, we're basing. It is finding the supply area a little difficult for itself. Coming into this downward trend line here, that's resistance at the 50-period moving average here. So a breakthrough of all of these. We'll look for the strong move up into this supply here, wait for the retracement, and then it's go time. Go time, you can go in, you can buy your big tech stocks. Has been on an absolute tear the last couple of days. A little too late to get into that one right now, but if it gets a retracement, if we get up to here and we get a retracement, it would not be a bad idea at all. So looking at the VIX, breaking through this area here, this is giving the indication that the institutions are starting to remove their insurance off their portfolios as the volatility, the fear index declines here, and we're breaking below this area here. So we want to see this below this area tomorrow, basically get down into, fill the gap here and get down to the 2650s would be phenomenal as an argument for the markets moving higher. Okay, coming into the gold markets. Gold did proceed to go lower here. We didn't get the strength we're looking for. We have found some buyers right here with this long tail moving up. Again, I don't want to do too much until we see some strength here. And what we really need to see is get this upper trend line coming down through here. We need to see it break above the upper trend line, get above these moving averages on the 60-minute time frame, wait for a retracement, and then we can take action on it. At this point in time, we're in a short-term downtrend, and you don't want to fight the biggest players in the markets. If they're currently in sell mode, you don't want to be a buyer. We want to make sure that they're buying and accumulating and buying over time. And when they do that, we will join them. Until then, we sit on the sidelines. We're looking at the stock we referenced yesterday and this morning. Let's just see kind of an update on what it did today. We had the breakout that we're looking at there yesterday and this morning. So like I said, we're probably going to get an inside day. We did exactly get that. We had a pretty big sell-off, but you can see there's buyers under here, and that's represented by that tail right there in this market. So we've got now a beautiful retracement. So if we break this down to, let's go to a 30-minute time frame here. Break down, retrace, up, we come back right to this area. This is the tails here are showing you where the buyers are, and we break above this previous high. So in the 30-minute time frame, we are in an uptrend into a retracement. You can look to buy this right here if we can get down here in the morning and move up. That's what we're looking for. Dale Sutter Troy's just a quick market update to kind of update on what we've been looking at the last couple of days. Have a great evening, and I will do a quick post in the morning. Be online, 9 a.m. Have a great day.